Now let's look at the advantages. One will ask, is it profitable?
It is profitable.
Hello, lovely viewers. How are you all doing? I'm so excited to see you once again. And I also hope that this video will inspire you to do something new. Now, let me say a very big thank you to all our new subscribers and welcome them on board. And also, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comment section. In the next video, we will mention your name and give you a shout out. Also, if you are an entrepreneur or someone doing something genuinely, a business person, and you want people to know about you, kindly subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comment section. We will get interactive with you. We'll have a meeting with you. Even if it requires, we'll bring our cameras there to have a conversation with you. Now in this video, Mr. Omani has introduced us to his friend who is a pig farmer. So we are going to have an educative conversation with him to know more about pig farming. If you are ready, just as I am, Mr. Godwin, who is in charge of this place, let's try and have some words. Good morning, sir. Good morning. My name is Nino and the name is HDG. We are here to have a conversation with you. Please, how long have you been doing this?
It's almost
3 years now.
I started 56. I read. I stopped because of my children. So I started about. I stopped around 2020. I started it.
So you started, you stopped, you came back again. One will ask, what made you come back?
I had sometimes who are my children. When he left me, I had to stop. Now that they are grown, they are all scattered. I've got to hire somebody to help me. That is why I started the business, not on a large scale.
Small I see. Now, pig farming, we all know that they are pigs. Are there different kinds? Are there different breeds?
Well, I don't know the name of the breed. They are not local.
They are not local.
Yes.
Okay, so this is not a local breed.
Yes.
Okay, so sir, if one wants to go into pig farming, what does it entail?
Well, your structure is
Your structure.
first out you find out your site. Your site and the structure. After the construction, then you start. Me really, I didn't take any advice from anybody. I saw the video on YouTube how it all started. I followed that sort of conversation. That is why I started.
So Mr. Godwin said he has seen a video on GTV. And that what made him start. Today we are also seeing a video. I hope this video can also make you start going into pig farming. So now I can see about 2 big ones in the video. So now how many do you have?
11.
So now I have. In terms of feeding them, how is it?
The feeding now, the cost of feed now has gone high. So I resort to collecting yam peel, then dry it, then mix it with some rice bran.
Rice bran.
I usually buy the rice bran from Asim Prasudo. But the wheat bran is very expensive. Then I go in for palm kernel residue from Nepa.
Okay.
Then I mix it together and feed them.
Okay, we'll look at the advantages of the pig farming, but are there some disadvantages?
There is. There are advantages. The advantages are one, the feed aspect. If you are not closer to the source of feeding, it will cost you. Two, medication. It's not a disadvantage, but it's expensive. With my age, the treatment of the animals in market, unless I can go the veterinary officers, they become poor. To when them give me keep it.
Now let's look at the advantages. One will ask, is it profitable?
It is profitable. Me, people want to buy the whole. Me, I prefer slaughtering it so that I can also take part in the media. And when we buy whole to, well, it costs less. When we buy whole,
Don't sell it expensively.
I don't feel like when I slaughter and then
So if you have to sell this as a
1,500.
1,500, wow. But if you slaughter it,
I mean, 10,000.
oh, okay. So what advice do you have for the youth? Someone out there who wants
For the youth, it is good for them to go into this sort of thing. You finish school and you stay at home for 2 good years. If your father has got a small parcel of land, if you don't need acres of land, that's a small parcel. The construction of the structure is the problem. If you can do the construction of the site, construction of
the structure,
to get the piglets there is no problem.
no problem.
You can even go to nearby farmer.
Okay.
You beg for him to give you piglets on credit.
Okay.
Yes. If only he or she knows you can. Some few months then you can pay up. So at least you do it for about a year. Then the game starts to come.
But how long does it take for it to go? Let's say you have a piglet here. So from piglet to the maturity. Or let's say from birth to maturity. Or being ready for market consumption. How long will it take?
12 months.
So at most 12 months. So this is about
This is about 2 years.
It is about 2 years. So at what age does it conceive from birth to pregnancy?
Normally the accepted or the standard should be between 8 and 12 months. It all depends on the feeding. Usually you have to feed them well. Add some fish meal that by 12 months you can slaughter, you can do anything. It depends on the feed.
Someone also said that when it comes to the pig farming, it has to do with water consumption. He terms of water in your location, how is it accessible for you to get?
It is cheap. First, when I started in the 86, I brought pipe-borne water.
Okay.
But the cost of water made me to using this drain water to clean it, but
Okay,
not
the
for
drainage.
for mixing the food or drinking. I brought containers there. This contain well water.
That's what a big water.
That is what I use to mix the food, then give them some. Then this is water for
So, Mr. Godwin, we really appreciate your time and your explanation given to us. We look forward to come back here and have more conversations. And I'm sure many people will be inspired by this video and will go into a farming. So if you are watching me out there and you are still thinking about pig farming, Mr. Godwin said, if you have a pig farmer close to you, you can go and beg him. He will give you the piglet on credit. And you start taking from there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like the video and kindly subscribe to the channel.